Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, catch their eye, hold it calmly for 3 to 5 seconds, then offer a sincere, specific compliment that signals you notice them. Once you've established presence, use a light, playful tease or an unexpected observation to create a tiny thrill. This gap between expectation and surprise makes the heart speed up. Make sure your tone stays warm rather than aggressive, and match your energy to theirs so the moment feels natural instead of forced. Once the initial spark exists, deepen the pull by telling a brief, vivid story about yourself that lasts 15 to 30 seconds. Pick a moment that reveals character or values. You should mirror their voice tempo and gestures subtly to increase comfort, making you feel intuitively aligned. Then add a single, honest detail about your feelings or fears, not oversharing, just one vulnerability that signals trust. This combination of narrative, synchrony, and openness shifts to complete the moment, close with a clear, low-pressure next step. Suggest a specific plan, ask a sincere question, or offer your number. Make sure to read their cues. If they pull back, slow down, give space, and avoid chasing. If the interaction turns awkward, acknowledge it briefly, one light self-deprecating line or a smile, and reset by changing the topic or offering a short laugh to ease tension. This honest, calm finish leaves the door open and preserves attraction.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.